Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to unbox and review the Firefly electric fan with 7-inch rechargeable table fan with night lamp. So this is what we're going to unbox and review for tonight. So I'm going to open this now. So, originally daw, in Ace Hardware, it is 9,999, but I bought it for 499 only. So, I will open the box first para makita niyo yung price. Okay, so yan. So, naka-bubble wrap siya. So, gugupitin ko na. Fan. Yan. So, when you open the box, ito yung nakalagay. So, ito yung Firefly multifunction fan. So, it has LED. May LED na nakalagay. And then, it's overcharge and over-discharge protection. Yan. And then, dito is flame retardant, 3-speed fan, and then lightweight daw siya. So, this is 7-inch rechargeable table fan with night light. And then, yung specification is ito, nandito sa gilid. So, input voltage niya is 220 to 240 volts. And then, yung dito, yung operating voltage is 4.2 volts DC. Then, rated power 10 watts. Yung battery type niya is 3.7 volts, 1.8 AH lithium-ion battery. And then, yun. Yung lamp is 6 pieces SMD LED. Charging time is 4 to 6 hours. And then, yung usage duration, pag yung LED night light, it would be 24 hours if low. And then, 7.5 hours pag high. Then, for the fan, it's 2.8 hours pag low, and then 2 hours pag mid, and then 1.2 hours pag high. So, yun. So, ito yung tsura niya. So, let's now open the box. So, yun kanina, nung sinabi ko nga, sa Ace Hardware, it's worth 9,999 daw. But, I bought this in Lazada for 499 lang. So, 50% discount. Pagka-open yung box, so yung box hindi na siya naka-tape. Yung, ano lang, naka-bubble wrap lang. So, ganito kalaki yung 7-inch na desktop fan. So, medyo malaki siya. So, kasi yung mukha ko, malaki na yan. So, kung mas malaki yung fan, ibig sabihin, malaki talaga siya. Ayan. So, imagine, my face na malaki. And then, ito yung 7-inch fan. So, nasa taas yung parang cord. Nandito na talaga yung cord sa taas. Ito yung cord na gagamitin. So, USB niya. Ayan. Ito yung USB. Ganyang klase. And then, ito. Yung type 1 ba to? Una-una. Ayan. So, hindi ko syempre ma-focus na naman. Ayan, ganyan. And then, so, yun lang. So, naka-plastic naman siya. But, yun lang. Wala nang laman na plastic. And, my manual. But, ayan. Yung manual niya is, ayan, ano lang. Simple lang. So, simple instructions, I guess. And then, mga product details. Nandito yung product features. Nandito yung how to operate the unit, and then how to charge, usage, and maintenance, and then attention when cleaning. Ayan. So, yan yung mga kailangan malaman if ever nandito din. So, I will try to place this all in the description box if ever yung mga summary lang na I would think magiging helpful sa pag-decide kung bibili nyo to. So, ito yung Firefly na Hindi ko pa siya ma-on. So, dito, ilalagay yung, yan yung saksakan sa likod. And then, ayan. So, try natin kung i-charge. Ayan, ayan. So, tinry kong i-open yung light. Ayan. So, ito yung light niya. So, yan yung, so, kunyari, 1, 2, 3. So, pagka, click nyo nung light, magsistart siya sa pinaka malakas, which is 3. So, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, let's try naman yung fan. So, I don't know if this is 1 or 2. So, try natin i-isa pa ulit. 2, and then 3. Ayan. So, I think this is 3. 3. And then, another 1. Isa pa ulit. So, mag-off na siya. So, 1. Ayan yung 1. Mas mahina lang siya. And then, 2. And then, 3. Ayan. So, ayan na natin sa para makita natin yung difference. Okay? So, ito yung 3. 3 yan. So, isa pa. Isa pa ulit. Para makita nyo yung difference ng 1, 2, 3. So, 1. So, 1 is yan. Saktong may hangin lang. Ngayon, ating lilipad-lipad yung buko. 2, ayan. Medyo maririnig na natin. And then, 3. Ayan. So, malakas na yung makina. So, that's it. Update ko kayo once I'm able to charge na ulit yung fan para kung ano yung kung talagang masusunod yung pag nakaka 1.2 hours siya or 2 hours and then 2.8 hours and then yan, nung-move pala siya stated din yan, nung-move siya then pag linisin siya yan, hanggang ganyan lang para iti-tilt lang hindi siya yung ano, parang mga 90 degrees lang I guess or yan, parang or 180, 90, ganyan, mga 45 yung paglinis na dito, ang sabi is ayun lang, make sure to disconnect the item. So, ganito lang ata siya linisin. Do not use wet material during cleaning. Use a dry and smooth cloth instead. So, yun. So, hindi siya natatanggal ata. Hindi natatanggal tong loob. But, yun. So, yun yung i-figure out natin next time. Pero parang, hindi na ata siya natatanggal. So, parang punasan mo lang talaga siya. So, I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed my short unboxing and review of the Firefly table fan with night light. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Goodbye!